Hey guys, welcome to Tech Mix. In this video, I will show you how to enable an FPS counter in any Steam game. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Knowing what FPS you're getting is really convenient, as it indicates the type of performance you're getting. So what you want to do is go to the top left of Steam, and you want to go and press Steam LADs. So, go down and find the option for Settings. In here, you need to go down on the left and you need to go and find the option for In-Game. And there you can go and click there like so. Now you need to go and scroll down and find Overlay Performance Monitor. You can go and choose where it's going to be. I have mine in the top right. Then you want to go and choose Performance Detail Level. And what you can do is just go and select FPS Single Value. You've got these other options you can choose if you want to though. And you can then go and choose the size and the other settings here as well. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking this video.